Hey guys! In this video, I wanted to share with you my YouTube analytics and show you how you can understand yours. And the first thing that I noticed was subscribers was down. Now here's the thing, this is what people forget about, is they don't put their YouTube analytics into perspective. See, last month was my birthday, and when my birthday happened, then there was an increase in subscribers because it's easy to ask on your birthday, hey, want to subscribe to my channel? And so people did that, and that caused more people to subscribe than usual. So now it looks like there's less people subscribing to my channel. But really, you just need to put it into perspective. So when you're looking at your analytics, make sure that you think about what previously happened and what you've been doing on your channel, and use that as the way that you frame that information so that it's most helpful to you. So the next thing that I noticed was my top performing videos were ones that were ranking in search. And what I've noticed since being on YouTube is browse traffic and suggested traffic is typically temporary. Sometimes you'll get some of it to be consistent, but generally it ebbs and it flows. But if you can successfully rank in search, it's possible to stay ranked, and this is one of the best ways to get consistent views to your channel. And what's interesting is search traffic actually leads to more suggested traffic. So if you can target that algorithm first, you're going to grow a lot faster. So next I noticed that overall my average view duration on videos was about 1 to 3 minutes. And my goal has always been 5 minutes or half of the video. And I want to work on my average view duration because it's a little bit lower than usual on my channel. And so this is going to be a focus in the future, and hopefully I'll be able to improve that metric, and then I'll report on it to you guys in one of my future videos. So another thing that I noticed was impressions were down for my channel. Now here's the thing though, again, you have to put it in perspective. Recently, I uploaded less frequently than I normally had, so this is one of the reasons that the impressions were down on my channel. And one of the ways that you can get more impressions is simply to upload more videos to your channel. Now, this can be hard to do, but it's kind of like one of those things where you either need to improve your thumbnails to get more impressions, or you need to release more thumbnails so that overall you get more impressions to your channel. So another thing that I saw was my CTR is up. And this is probably due to the fact that I've started to make more consistent thumbnails. If you can make your thumbnails so that your subscribers recognize them immediately, this can improve your click-through rate because they're simply familiar with it. It's like something they've seen before, and so that just encourages them to click. And I found this to be very helpful as I've recently started being more strict in how I make my thumbnails and kind of focusing on the template that I've created for them. So I've also noticed that I have a lot of unique viewers, and this is good because people are finding my channel. But I've also noticed that my returning viewers has declined. And part of this is due to the fact that YouTube and YouTube Tips is a niche where some people are going to stop watching my channel maybe because they're no longer focused on growing on YouTube. So that is one of the challenges of this niche. But I also want to focus more on my subscribers and on making content that they would want to watch and that would help them so that I can get more returning viewers. And this is kind of one of those things where you need to, again, put it in perspective. See, with my niche, I need to constantly be finding new, unique viewers. And that's happening, so that's good. That means my channel will grow. But one of the hard parts is, like I was mentioning, it's hard to retain viewers with this niche. And so it's important to realize that I gotta work on that returning viewer aspect, or my channel will become stagnant over time. So I noticed that YouTube search is my top traffic source, and this is really exciting to me because YouTube search and search traffic is a precursor to more suggested traffic. If you can master that algorithm, then you're going to be able to get a lot more suggested traffic, which will help your channel really take off. So I've also noticed that a lot of people have notifications on for my channel. And if you've done that, thank you so much, because it means a lot to me that you would do something like that and that my videos mean enough to you that you want to have notifications on. And I'm going to keep trying to make videos that are really good so that people will want to have notifications on. But I haven't really seen it to be very effective to ask people to turn notifications on because I've never done that. Like when another YouTuber asks me to ring the bell and turn on notifications, I never do it, so I don't ask my viewers to do it either. So another important metric is the metric that shows whether or not most of your viewers are subscribed or not subscribed. And most of mine are not subscribed. And that's actually a good thing. If you're, say, a newer creator and you're worried, is my channel going to grow? Is it growing right now? Well, if most of your viewers are unique viewers, this means that people are finding your channel in some way. It's appearing in search or suggested, or it's getting browse traffic. And as long as you're not promoting your content a lot and you're allowing YouTube to do that, then this means that your channel will grow because viewers are finding your content. And I do want to work on getting more of my viewers to be subscribed, but I'm happy that YouTube is promoting my channel and that my channel is growing from YouTube doing the work, because that's always the goal. We want to get YouTube to promote our content. And so as long as you have lots of unique viewers and not subscribed viewers, then this means people are finding your content and your channel is going to grow. And if you're interested in getting more views and subscribers to your channel, then check out the video on the screen and I will see you over there in that video.